Sayuri, in Kazakh, we have song like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Yeah, in Kazakh it looks like Aldi, 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 oh, Aldi, 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 oh. Do you have your own song in Japanese language?
We call in kira kira boshi.
Kira, kira. Can you sing, please? Song. Little bit short. Okay, okay. Kira, kira, kira. No?
Right, please. Kira kira hikaru yozora no hoshi yo.
Wow, thank you.
That's simple.
Okay. Yeah, it's similar song, but language different.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Do you know song Twinkle Twinkle Little Star?
Yeah.
In our language, it will be like Aldi, 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 Aldi. And in Indian, do you have?
No, not in Hindi.
Really?
We just have the English version. Because
Oh.
English is a very common language in India, so yeah, only the English version.
Okay, thank you. And do you have in Malaysian language?
Malaysian language, we just use twinkle twinkle
Really?
little star. Yeah.
Wow. Indian people also.
Indian people also.
Yeah, just English
same.
version.
Yeah, we also same. We use twinkle twinkle little star. Same.
Достар, Малайзияда да, Индияда да өздерінің әлди әлди деген әндер жоқ екен, тек ағылшыншасын қолданады екен. Okay, thank you.
Okay.